Dear friends and my dear viewers, today we are going to see update a MySQL table from a Python. You are going to get the input from the user. This input will be used to update. For example, if you want to update the E number for a person with so and so name, you can do this by using an update statement. You are going to make some changes to the database. How do we do this? So let me open a new file and new file. Let me save it as initially itself. Let me save it as update execute update file. This is update file. Okay, update file is done. Here let me show you the database first. This is a database. I have a database named as sample, under which I have a table named sample table. I have these records. Let me try to change the name Jyotish to Jyoti. Let's see how we are going to do this. So far, the first thing to do is import statement. Import MySQL.connector. This is the first line. So after that, you go for a connection. Say let me have this mydb equals MySQL.connector.connect. And what are we using the credentials? Credentials are the host. Is always localhost, comma, and then the username. User is the root, which is by default. Then the password equals, let me have it because it's blank, password is blank, comma. Then the database what I'm going to try to open is the sample is the name of the database. So after which I close the connection. So not closing, I close that statement. Then coming to the try option, I'm going to use a try statement in case if there is an error. So try, I'm opening the cursor equals mydb, which is a connection dot cursor function. So after this, I'm going to get the input from the user. Let me have it as ename, because ename is the one what I'm trying to change. Ename equals, let me get the input. Input what? Enter the name to be updated. Then enter the name to be updated. Then what is the other name? The new name. Let me have it as new name equals, let me again have, let me just copy what I have put above. Input the name to be into the new name to be updated with. So after this, now I go for the query. Let me have the variable as SQL query itself, SQL query, and I'm going to update. What update? Update the name of the table was sample table. Now set what? Ename equals, what was it? It's coming from the input, so let me put this as percentage yes, where the ename again is another percentages. One would be the ename, the other one would be the new name, and the percentage yes. So this is a query for update. Now the next thing to do is to execute this. So using cursor dot execute. What is to be executed? SQL query followed by the new name. That is what is updated, comma with the e-name. So this is also done. Let me close this. So SQL query will be executed with the new name. So cursor execute is done. Now to save the work, mydb.commit. So after commit, maybe we can print, give a message like updated. You can have any user driven or user required statement. I am giving just updated. Now you need to close this try. So let me go for except. Except what? MySQL dot connector dot the error followed by the variable name. Let me give it as my error. So this is what I am going to store the error message. Print. If there is an error, let me print a message. What? The my error message. Whatever is there would be printed as if I am giving the error message without disturbing. Next to do is you can close mydb.close. So when this is done, the job should be over. Since it's already saved, let me just go for a save and run. Since the name Jyotish is already, I'm going to change it from Jyotish to Jyoti. So how do I do this? Let me run module. So to be name to update is Jyotish with what? With, say for example, with Jyoti. So you are seeing the message updated. So hope you have understood how to update the statement. And with this we come to an end with today's session. Any questions, you may always contact me through my email ID jyotishc@yahoo.com. jotishc@yahoo.com. Hope you have understood. Hope this session has given you some message about how to update. Thank you all. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you. Please subscribe and give me a like. Thank you.